Alright, so I'm going to go over a couple of the ones from this rref worksheet. It doesn't say rref on it, but that's what we did in class. First one starts like this. We want to write it using matrix form. I'm going to show the intermediate step. You don't necessarily have to do this. You only need to get to the end result. So I can go and write it as 3, 1, -2, 4, close times xy. That gives me this left hand side right here. And then I set it equal to, I go across and down, so I go 3, 1 across this way, and then down there times xy, so I get 3x plus y. That's an equal sign there. -4 equals -4, 7. So what I do is I augment a matrix. I smash two matrices together, get rid of the xy, and get rid of the parentheses, and put a bar where the equal sign is. So it's really simple. Just go 3, 1, -2, 4. Bar kind of represents an equal sign. -4, 7, like that. And if you want to go straight from here to here, that's totally fine. You do not have to show that intermediate step. Okay, now I'm going to do number 13, just because it's the smallest of the next group of 3. I am given this. I'm told to turn it into a system. This is my x, this is my y. I'm kind of using the same principle that we used here. I'm just going backwards like that. So it's pretty simple. I'm not going to show the intermediate step for this. That's a 2 right there. This gives me, I don't even need the matrix thing. Alright, so this gives me 2x plus y equals -7. Super simple. And then 0x, just, I don't put anything there from this right here. I just write 4y and then equals the 9. And that's that for that. I'm going to pause it. Make sure you get that if you need it. I'm going to clear the whole screen. Okay, the last one I'm going to go over is number 15. I start with this. And it says solve the system of equation using a matrix. So what I'm going to do is I'll go back up. I'm going to get it into this form right here, and then I'm going to use the rref feature on the calculator. So I turn it into a matrix. That matrix becomes 4, -1, bar 10. Remember that bar doesn't mean anything for the matrix. It just kind of represents where the equal sign is. We do it there to help us keep track of what's going on. Then I get a -2 and a 5 and a 4. I'm going to close the matrix. So I need to plug this into the matrix part of my calculator. You're going to hit the second button and then go to the button right underneath math on the left side. It says x to the -1. You're going to go to edit. You're going to make a 2 by 3 matrix, and then you're going to plug these numbers in for your matrix. From there, you are going to go back to your main screen. So just do a second quit, leave that matrix edit option, and then go back into the matrix menu right here using this second x inverse. But go over to math. From there, scroll down a while until you find rref. Remember that stands for reduced row echelon form. If the matrix that you edited was matrix A, then you're going to get a parentheses. It's going to take you back to your main screen when you hit rref and enter. You're going to go back into the matrix menu. You're going to type in an A. You're going to close, and then you're going to hit enter. What you should get, if you typed everything right, is 1, 0, bar, 0, 1, followed by a 3 and a 2 with a closed parentheses. That can be interpreted as x. I'm going to leave a blank. well, I'll write x plus 0y equals 3, and 0x plus y equals 2. Scroll down. The reason why I'm going in so much depth is because people are absent for this. So that simply tells me x is 3 and y is 2. I can write that using coordinates as 3, 2. And that's it. The 3x3s are a little bit more work in terms of putting it in the calculator, but it's still much faster than it would take you to solve by hand. Hopefully that helps. That's all.